Right, okay. My mouse works. Right, let's get the iPad out so I can check chat. That's not the password. Oh, you can see my silhouette. Hello. Kind of. Ooh. Right. View channel live. Kind of. Ooh. Right, okay. Where's my pencil case? It's here. Right. BAC. So we're going to use tangent 21 over 27, inverse tangent. Inverse tangent 21.9 over 27.7. Right, you know. Wait, let me just turn the lights on. That's not correct. PAC, yeah. Opposite over adjacent. What? Oh, I did normal tangent. That's why. Rookie mistake. Inverse tangent. There we go. That makes a bit more sense. $38.6. Right. A right angled triangle is showed below. Write down the following fraction. Choose the correct length relative to the angle y. Wait, I'm just gonna put a note down because, like, how do I pin my comment? There you go. Perfect. Right, 3A. Write down the following fraction. Oh, opposite and adjacent, so that's 48.55. 48 over 55. Yep. B. Solve, okay, right, so that's just 4 over cosine 43. So R equals 5.47. Yep. C. Theta is an angle in a right angle triangle. Okay, right. What's the value of theta? So 53 over 18. What? Oh, I know, it's inverse tangent of 18 over 53. Oh, I love how brackets work. Or what? Inverse tangent of 18 over 53. 18.8. 18.8 degrees. D. Right angle triangle is shown below. Right tan theta as a decimal. What? Right tan theta. Right. What? Oh, as a decimal. That's just really confusing. So that's 4.5. Okay, right, work out length D. So adjacent and hypotenuse, so that's cosine. Adjacent over height. So cosine 21.7 over cosine of 37. So 27 point, how many dp? 1. So 27.2. Right, that was, I would try to do that. Right. Adjacent over hypotenuse. No. Cosine of 32 equals 21.7 over d. I'm not wrong. Oh, it's 32. I'm so smart. .6 centimeters. E. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I did some question. So this one's 25.6 centimeters. So what's the last question? Last question was an angle, so 18.8. What's this? What? I think I skipped C. Yeah, whatever. I don't know, I'll just put that there. Right, F. Calculate your answer to 1 dp. What's the size of angle X? I mean, I'll use tangent. Wait, I'm gonna use a flipping polar. Right, watch this. 7.68, comma, 14.4. Ooh, sheesh. 61.9 degrees. Oh, 4 viewers, let's go. 3C. Oh my goodness. It actually was 3C. Oh, thank God. Right, G. 0 comments, that's great, isn't it? Relative to angle X, which two of the following are labelled on the right angle triangle below? Oh, adjacent hypotenuse. Right. Adjacent hypotenuse, GH. Value of v in the equation below. Okay, right. So I should stop pressing on. I should click all cancel. My button's gone down. Tangent 19. 26. Oh, what's the rounding to 1 dp? So 0.7. I, right. 3i, boom, boom. Value of a. So 16, cosine 16. What to 2 dp? So 19. Okay, that's great. So a equals 0.96. B equals inverse cosine so inverse cosine of 0.52, so 558. I need to write this down. 58.676767, my bad. 58.67. Boom. Right, 4. Boom, boom. Okay, right. Triangle X to work out the value of sine. What? Oh, as a fraction. So opposite over hypotenuse, so it's 9 over 10. Is that what it wants? Okay, what's this? Can I just skip this? Yeah. Right, A is 9 over 10. B. 4B. 5 viewers, let's go. So skilled. Student draws a right angled triangle. One of the angles is 28 degrees. The opposite side relative to the angle has a length of 16.3 centimeters. Wait. One of the angles is 28. The opposite side. Okay, right. So it's opposite over hypotenuse. So you just do 16.3 over sine 28. Opposite of height. Yeah, so sine 28. Real guys. 1 dp. 34.7. Boom. With the size of angle X and the size of angle Y. Sure. Right, so this one we can use cosine. Okay, so inverse cosine 0.7 over 14 point. So that's okay, right. Y equals to 1 dp, so 31.5, and then x equals. So we're gonna have to use sine. So inverse sine 12.7 divided by 14.9. So that's 58.4. No, it's 1 dp. I'm so smart. 58.5. Oh, hello, Gubby T refractos. Gubby T. I quit. Gubby T refractos. Is that like Spanish? Yeah, whatever. Right, D. Yeah, we'll put it here. Right, Charlie says that side R is the hypotenuse of the... No, because we don't... They're incorrect. It's incorrect. I totally have it written an explanation. Incorrect. Right, okay. B. A right angled triangle is shown below. Write an expression for sine theta in terms of x. So, what? The question, so x over 10, is this what it wants? Bit weird of a question. Right, work out the length of x given that sine of theta is 3 So 3 over 5 is equal to x over 10, so x is 6. Boom. So, oh, right, it's just another question. So E, A, sine theta equals x over 10, for the B part, 6 centimeters. F. EFG is a right angled triangle. Work out the length. Oh, I need water. My mouth is dry as hell. I'm hydrated. Right. Triangle, work out length of EG. If FG is that long. Right, so we're gonna have to use tangent. So you get that length, multiply it by tangent of the angle, which is 51. So A is 4.82 and B is 6.7, so it's 8.27. They're all in millimeters. I cannot be bothered to write down the units. Now I'm going to write them down. Yay. Three A is 48 over 55. Boom. Right. I love how, 12 viewers watching me do maths homework. You guys have better things to do. Work out the size of angle theta. The isosceles triangle. So, adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be inverse cosine 12.4 over 16.1. 39.6. What's the rounding nearest integer? So 40 degrees. Nope. What have I done wrong? Oh yeah, I have to half it. 咋了？我有作业。67. Yay. 67 degrees. GH. I know my alphabet. Yeah, Sparks is fun, isn't it, Piggy? I like your profile picture. If cosine theta is that. So 2, okay, so that's easy. Wait, let me just check. So it's adjacent over, yeah, okay. So it's 9. Yay. HI. Calculate the lengths of DF in a right angle triangle below. Okay, so let's do D first. So D, we can use tangent. So 5.3 multiplied by tangent of, what's that? It's 38. My cursor was covering it. Looked like something else. 1 dp, okay, 4.1 centimeters. F equals, we're going to use cosine. So it's adjacent over that. So you have to do 5.3 over cosine of 38. So that's 6.7. So 4.1, 6.7, 6.7. Right. 5a. I don't know why I'm so thirsty today. One like, let's go, guys. So happy for the one like. Can you still see my silhouette like at the start of the stream? You can see my hand. Can you see my face? That does not look like my face. Okay, whatever, I don't care. Homework is homework. Right, select the lines that intersect. I cannot be bothered. Right, so all of them that are x equals, is it a selection one? So boom, 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 boom. That's, what's the line? Y equals 3, so boom. Yeah, those. Fine, I'll write them down. X equals 2. Y equals negative x. Y equals x. X equals 5. X equals negative 2. 5b. Right, signs blah de blah de blah. 29 divided by 0.9 squared, 36 grams. Boom. C. Plot those values. It's an explain question. Okay. It's D, and I have definitely explained my answer. Definitely. D. Boom, boom, what's value? C is 20, M is negative. No, it isn't. So that's a rise in negative 60 over 5, so that's negative 12. M is negative 12. C is positive 20. M is negative 12. C is positive 20. Right. Blah de blah. Right, okay, so first that's a bit annoying. So 235,440 divided by 0.96, and then that divided by 1.09. 225,000. E. 225,000. F. Okay, what's 3b? 3b is R equals, okay, there we go. Right, F. Right, blah, blah, blah. Y-intercept minus 24. No, it isn't. It's 8. Okay, right. I should have... Divide by 3 minus 8. Oh, I have to divide by 6. I'm such a sigma. Okay, right. I'm going to have to actually do it. Oh, it's positive 6. Nope. New question. Right, okay. Divide by 6, so it's minus 5, and you plus 5. Is it not plus 5? What? Right, okay. That's a... Right. Nope. Y equals negative x. Oh, was that not 45 degrees? Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Y equals negative x is a. What is that? Right, okay, so tell me why this isn't... Boom, boom. Okay. Negative 1, 1. Oh, all the correct answers. So it's A and C. 6A. Right. I'm just going to use the function. Where is it? Where's the table function? It's 9. Okay. So 1. Okay, well that was easy. I did not need to do this. So minus 2 to 2, step 1. Right. Minus 2, 11. Minus 1, 6, 0, 1. 1 minus 4. 2 minus 9. 11, 6, 1 minus 4 minus 9. Right, B. Different. So it'd be the greatest percent of the second greatest. What? 80, 50. Wait, let me check. I keep on pressing the on button. It's really bad, isn't it? Okay. And then it could be 0.5 times 80. They're the same. Oh yeah, they are the same. Wait, is it? I heard it was like... Get like... 14%. Right. 14% of 50 is the same as like 50% of 14. Yeah, okay. Wait, which card should we be placing each space for the largest family? So for A, it'd be 0.8 times 50. Okay. 50 times... Nope. 0.5 times 80. They're the same. So... Right, okay, maybe Sparks Maths is smarter than that. Smallest value is 10 of 20 or 20 of 10. So 50, 80, 10, 20. If it says it's wrong, I'm going to write. Right. What? Smallest value of y. I'm so smart sometimes. Ow, ow, ow. I just scraped my... Ow. Shh, ow. 13 viewers. What are you doing? Okay, right. Ow, my foot. Right. Something percent of that. So that's equal to 0. That... We divide by y. And then we switch. So that number divide by that number. This number divide by that number. So that for the biggest would be big divided by small. So 1080. And there'd be small divided by big. Oh, I'm so smart. C. 4H. 9 centimeters. Right, C. Right. So that's half y equals half x plus 7. Wait, is the scale weird? No. Y equals half x plus 7. Half x plus 7. Right, D. Boom, boom. What's the gradient of the line? Times by 2, so it's 22. Right, what's the y-intercept? What? Oh. 12, then 22. 12, 22. E. Right, boom, boom. One side lies on, okay. Yeah. What? Oh, a square. Oh, okay, right. Work out the two lines. That, okay. Right, so that's a 5. So it's either plus 5 or minus 5. X equals 7. X equals 17. F blah blah blah. Right. So 29095. Oh, I did a decimal point. 29095 divided by 1.15 squared is 22,000. 22,123. G. Oh, not table of values. Right, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. Right. 3x. Okay, we have to get y on one side. Divide by... So divide by 2. So it's 3 over 2. X. Divide by 2. Just swap them around. So subtract 9. Minus 1. 3. Step 1. Okay, right, let me just check again. We divide by 2. 3 over 2x equals plus y. Again, you just swap them around. 3 over 2x, subtract 9, equals negative y. That's the issue. So you have to times everything by negative 1. So nine subtract 3 over 2x. How do I go back? 9 subtract 3 over 2x. Right. Boom. So 10.5, 9, 7.5, 6, 4.5. I did not need a calculator for that. What the fuck is this? Oh, done my homework. Let me just check up on my friend. Sign out. Right, let me just cover this up so I don't show any emails. Let's see how much homework he has done. Oh. Late. I heard you can see like your accuracy. Or maybe you can't. Right, rewards. Yeah, maybe like feedback. Hi, Rich. This isn't my account. Settings. Let's make it pink. Oh. He'll thank me for this, won't he? Leaderboards. I'm at the top. Zach? Theo? Why does Theo do XP boosts? It's weird. Who's Oliver? Which Oliver is this? Kyler the big enchilada. Did he do all his XP boosts? Oh, I'm gonna use the scroll wheel technique. Oh, I have to move my mouse. Ah! Wrong way. Micah Lee, what? Zach isn't even that far from the top. I won't even be that far from the top in the school. What's this? Top 25%. You know what? I'm gonna control F it. Control F Alan. Oh, so I'm 113th in my school. Whatever, I finished my homework. See you guys. Bye.